Okay, so I'm starting off by showing you the braid pattern that I decided to do for these really cute crochet braids. So I want to show you how I ended up making some extra box braids with the little curly pieces after I ran out of the ones that I originally bought from Amazon. So all you have to do is take the little twisty thing that looks like it comes on the braid, put it on any sturdy pole that you have, or you can find a piece of string or whatever, but you're gonna need something to tie that top part around so that you can create that crochet effect. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and just braid it down, braid it, and then after it's all the way down to the bottom, I'm gonna crochet the hair in. You'll see just a second. Alright, so now the braid is done. So I'm gonna go from the top, go down. I would say, like, I have no idea how far to go down. Really, all I did was measure how long the curly hair was compared to the braid. And then once the curly hair was past just a little bit where the braid was, that's where I decided to crochet. So depending on how long your hair is, you go from there. But I went ahead and separated this piece because it was a little bit too big. And so I'm just going to crochet it in, probably like a quarter of the braid, a quarter of the way down. But like I said, all you have to do is just really measure the end part of the braid with the end part of the curly hair, and then you just put it right there. So you just crochet it in like you would anything else. Grab that needle, find a part, and I'm just sticking one side of the curly hair into the hole. Only doing one side just to create a thinner knot. And I think I only went in twice on this one, but I would recommend that you go in 3 times to make that thin knot. And there you go. It's just that easy. So this is all I'm doing. I think I did an additional 4 to 5 braids, and then I just added curly hair. That's it.